Hi, welcome to my video on the horizontal line test, part 1, defining the test. Horizontal line test, denoted by, I'll call it HLT, horizontal line test. A function passes the horizontal line test if each value of y, there is only one value of x. That means we're thinking about the horizontal line passes through only one point, and the value of y of the points is not repeated. So if you can satisfy any of these, then it fails the horizontal line test or passes the horizontal line test. So take this, give an example, take this relation. X is 0, y is 1. X is 1, y is 3. X is 2, y is 1. Notice that for each value of y, there's only one x, but when y is 1, x is 0 or 2. So it fails the horizontal line test. Or if you think about it, notice the y is repeating. So if the y repeats, we have a horizontal line, which is this one. That horizontal line, which is y equals 1, that horizontal line, which is dotted, passes through these 2 points, so it fails the horizontal line test. Notice y is repeated. Now, notice the y is 1, 1, and again y is 1. So x is negative 1, y is 1. X is 2, y is 1. X is 3, y is 2. Again, when x is 1, when y is 1, x is negative 1 or 2. And that means this horizontal line, y equals 1 again. So it fails the horizontal line test. Number 3, notice we have what I call, if you look at it, if you take this as an asymptote, it will not touch this line. So notice for each value of y, if I plot a point, for each value of y, there's only one value of x. If I draw a horizontal line like this, the horizontal line, no matter where I draw it, the horizontal line will only pass through one point. So this passes the horizontal line test. D, this is a parabola opening down from this point. So again, if I draw a horizontal line here, it passes through 2 points. If I draw a horizontal line here, it passes through 2 points. So there's many horizontal lines that will pass through 2 points of this parabola, so it fails the horizontal line test. And E is a line, an oblique line. Again, if I draw a horizontal line, no matter where I draw it, the horizontal line will pass through only one point, so it passes the horizontal line test. Each value of y is only one value of x. Remember, the vertical line test is the reverse. For each value of x, there's only one value of y. So the horizontal line test is switch around, which makes sense. And notice this is a circle. So the horizontal line, if you draw a horizontal line and it passes through any 2 points, then it fails the horizontal line test. So there's many horizontal lines that you can draw to pass through 2 points of this circle. And here, if you draw a horizontal line here, it passes through a point here and here and here. So the y value here is the same. If you draw this horizontal line, the y value here and here and here will be the same, so it fails the horizontal line test. Notice we got an equation, y equals 2x plus 1. This is a line that has a y-intercept of 1 right there, and the slope is 2 over 1, so you rise 2, run 1. And so this, or you can go the other way, you can go down 2, left 1. So this is the line. So this is an oblique line, and therefore if you draw a horizontal line, it'll only pass through one point. So it passes the horizontal line test. number I, x squared, and we got y plus y minus 3 squared equals 1. So this is a circle. So the center of this circle is 0, 3. So the center is x is 0, y is 3. And r squared is equal to 1. So r is equal to plus or minus 1, but the radius of the circle can only be positive. So we have a circle. A radius is 1, so we go 1 right, 1 up, 1 down, 1 left. So there's the circle at the center of 0, x is 0, y is 3. And notice if we draw a horizontal line, it'll pass through 2 points, so it fails the horizontal line test. And we have j is a log, and in a log, we can't do the log of a negative number, so x has got to be greater than 0. It can't be equal to 0, it's got to be greater than 0. So that means there's an asymptote right here, down through here, where x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 is an asymptote. That means the log graph tends towards there. So if you write the equation, base, exponent, number, that's the base, that's the exponent, and that's the number. So if we take the values of y, x and y, if you plug in the values of y, so we let y be negative 2, x would be a quarter. If you let y be negative 1, x would be a half. 2 to the negative 1 is a half. If x is 0, sorry, if y is 0, x is 1. If y is 1, x is 2. So we have, if x is a quarter, y is negative 2. If x is a half, y is negative 1. If x is 0, y is 1. X is 0, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 1. If x is 2, y is 1. So this is the graph of the log of x base 2. There it is there. And notice if we draw a horizontal line, it passes the horizontal line test. Which relation passes the horizontal line test? Well, let's have a look. So is y repeating? Y is 3, 2, 1, 4. So the answer is yes, it passes the horizontal line test. So if you plot the points, so there's no y repeating, so therefore it passes. Or if you plot x is negative 2, y is 3, right here. If x is 0, y is 2. If x is 0, y is 1. If x is 3, y is 4. So if you draw a horizontal line to this point, it only goes through 1. Through here, it only goes through 1. Here, it only goes through 1. And right here, it only goes through 1. So it passes the horizontal line test. Number 2. Again, if you have ordered pairs, is y repeated. So when y is 2, that means y is 2, y is being repeated. So x is 1 or 0. So if x is 1, y is 2, that's that point there. If x is 0, right here, y is 2 right here. So that means we have 2 points that make a horizontal line. So that's the horizontal line, y equals 2. So there's a horizontal line that passes through these 2 points. So no, it does not pass the horizontal line test because the y is repeated or horizontal line passes through 2 points. Notice number 3, there's 3 points here. If I draw a horizontal line, that means y is equal to 2. So this does not pass. When y is 2, x is 2, 1, 0, negative 1. So y is repeated, so it doesn't pass the horizontal line test. Or a horizontal line will pass through at least 2 points, passes through the port for them. Number 4, if you draw a horizontal line anywhere, it'll only pass through 1 point. No matter where you draw it, it'll only pass through 1 point. So for each y, there's only one x, or the horizontal line only passes through 1 point, so it passes the horizontal line test. Number 5, if you draw a horizontal line right here, it'll pass through 2 points. So no, it doesn't pass the horizontal line test, because the horizontal line passes through these 2 points, or it could be these 2 points, whatever they are. Draw a horizontal line anywhere below whatever this y value is here. And number 6, y equals the negative 1/3 x, negative 1/3 x. So when x is 0, y is 0. When x is 3, y is negative 1. 3 gives me a negative 1. X is 3, y is negative 1. When x is negative 3, negative 1/3 times negative 3 is 1. When x is negative 3, y is 1. So this is this line right here. So notice the line has a y-intercept of 0. So you go down 1, right 3, or you can go up 1, left 3. So it's a line, oblique line, so no matter where I draw a horizontal line, it'll pass through 1 point. So it passes the horizontal line test, because the horizontal line will only pass through 1 point. And we have number 7. We have notice we have to go x minus 1 is greater than or equal to 0. X is greater than or equal to 1. You cannot have a negative number underneath the root. So when you have x is greater than or equal to 1, greater than or equal to 1, this function is okay. So that means the point 1, when x is 1, y is 2. So that's the starting point. So x is 1. When x is 1, y is 2. So it starts here. So if you take x is 2, y becomes 3. X is 2, y is 3. When you take x is 5, y is 4. 5 minus 1 is 4. Square root of 4 is 2. When x is 5, y is 4. When x is 5, y is 4. So there it is, let's say roughly there. So it starts here and it goes like that. So if we draw a horizontal line, it'll only pass through 1 point. So it passes the horizontal line test. And number 8, x squared plus y squared equals 9. So if you this is a circle whose center is 0, 0, and r squared is equal to 9. So r is equal to plus the square root of 9, which is plus minus 3, but the radius got to be positive. So 0, 0 with a radius of 3. So there, radius of 3. So 3 to the right, 3 to the left, 3 up, 3 down. There's a circle. So when you draw a horizontal line, it'll pass through 2 points. So no, it doesn't pass the horizontal line test. Or if you do it another way, so if you say y is equal to 0, so if you let y equal to 0, so you get x squared plus 0 squared equals 9, x squared equals 9, so x is equal to plus or minus the root of 9, which is plus or minus 3. So when y is 0, which is right here, x is negative 3 and 3, so it fails the horizontal line test because the y values is repeated at many, many points. But I just picked the point at 0. X is 3, y is 0. And I picked this one. X is negative 3, y is 0. So by picking y equals 0, I found 2 values of x. So y is repeated. So when y is 0, x is 3 or negative 3. The y is being repeated at 0. Or there are more values, but I just picked those two. So that's explaining the horizontal line test. Hope you understand. And if you like my video, click the like button. If you're not a subscriber and you wish to subscribe, hit the subscribe button. Visit my math website, www.mathfullyexplained.com, to find more information about me, my videos, and the content. That's the content on my YouTube channel called Math Fully Explained, which is, notice, one word. Thank you for viewing my video. Hope the video helped you. Bye-bye.